Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to my webinar. So today's webinar topic is e-commerce store, like how to set up your e-commerce store. So I prepared a PPT to share some advantages, disadvantages of e-commerce store, and after completing the theory part, we'll live set up a e-commerce store.
Okay.
Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
My PPT screen?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I start with the PPT. So first I'll start with the introduction. As you all basically know, it's an store which does not have a physical presence. You can sit home and set up your e-commerce store. The cost of e-commerce store is less, and you don't need much staff to run your business. It completely managing the online store and its activities such as product branding, um, customer management, social media presence. You can also have a website, your complete e-commerce website. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
We can hear you.
Yes, you are audible.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so I'm audible. So we were on the introduction to e-commerce store. So as I've said, I've mentioned before also, you can stay home and you can run your business online. You don't need physical room, or you don't need a physical staff to manage your business. There are different categories of e-commerce store or e-commerce management. B2B, it's business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to administration, and consumer to administration. Out of these six, the most famous are the above two, that is business to business and business to consumer. We can take example of business to consumer like Dmart, Big Bazaar, etc. Amazon, Flipkart. These are the popular example of business to consumer, and there are quick steps to set up your e-commerce business. First, you need to register your business. You need to register your business. This is the very first step to start your e-commerce business. The second is the pick your store's name. Your store name should be unique. It should not match with the other store name. Otherwise, you will not able to go further with the process of setting up your e-commerce store. The third step is get your business license. You can get your business license by submitting various documents like Aadhaar, PAN, etc. Your identity proof, your store proof. The fourth step is your get your employee identification number. This number you will get once you register your business or you get the business license. Apply for license and permit. You need to apply for license and permit. You can apply it by submitting social proofs or your identification proof. Find the right vendor. You need to find the right vendor who will supply you products, who will give you products to start with your e-commerce store. The vendor will give you the products to set up your warehouse, and once your warehouse is done, you can start selling products to your customers. Logo creation. Your logo is the identity of your business. Your logo should be easy to understand. It should not be difficult to understand. The design and the color of your logo should match your business. The color should not be very dark, or it should not be very light. The logo image should be clear. It should not be blur. And your logo should always convey a message. For example, if you are starting a store like a demand or food grain store, your logo should be something related to food, or you should have a shopping cart, etc. It should identify that it's a shopping store. Get visual. You cannot run your business without getting your business visually. To get your business visual, you should have your own website. You should have products stored in the warehouse. You should have description of your products, etc. The next slide is advantages of e-commerce store. Though it has quite disadvantages, but more than disadvantages, it has advantages. It gives you a large market share, a lower cost of operating. You don't need to pay salary to your staff or salary to inside parties. You don't need to pay electricity bill or car parking, etc. cost. More opportunities to sell, as maximum people spend their maximum time online, and due to lockdown the online business have increased, or the demand for online business have increased. So it set up a great opportunity to run your online business. Increase sale with instant gratification. You can increase your sale. You can give quick discounts, or you can give offers to your customers. You can give quick first sale offer. If there is a new customer, you can give that customer 5% discount, or you can appreciate that customer for coming to your store or for visiting your website for making a purchase. You can also give coupon cards, vouchers to your customers to encourage customers for further shopping. And you don't need much space. You don't need like a complete physical store. You don't need space. You don't need space to run your business, to run your online store. You don't need any property to um, build a store or etc. And you can sell variety of products. Uh, the, Along with advantages, here comes a few disadvantages of e-commerce store. Certain disadvantages like sometimes the website may crash, or sometimes the consumer don't experience a good shopping experience, or the website may run slow. So these are the few disadvantages. These are some of the technical issues which the customer might face while doing shopping, and due to this you might even get a bad review. But there are some plugins which will help you to run your website smoothly. I'll also share the plugins which will be helpful to run your business or to run your website smoothly. Also, shortage of skilled technical workers. Hello, someone raised the hand.
Hi. Hello.
Personalized messaging
Hello.
is you can set the description of your products according to yourself. You can add more description to make your customer aware of the products.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Also, some disadvantages like shortage of skilled technical workers, and there may be language barriers. Your website may contain English language, and your customer might not know English, or the customer find it difficult to read English. So even these are some of the barriers which you might face while running your online business. Some legal issues, some technical issues you might face, all the currency issues, Indian currency, USD currency, because customer can come from anywhere. So these are some of the disadvantages. Your custom you It's not necessary the customer will be an Indian, the customer can be an American. So there might be a currency issue, and all these issues can be solved. There are various plugins which will help to solve all these issues. So these are the different applications of software to develop your e-commerce store, like OpenCart, Magento, Desk, WordPress. WordPress is very famous for website construction. You can build your website through WordPress, and WordPress have maximum plugins. The maximum amount of plugins are used in WordPress. Also, Joomla is famous. Zoho CRM is also famous, but above all, the very famous to set up your e-commerce store is Shopify. I only use Shopify to set up my e-commerce store. Shopify gives you various advantages. Like before, there was only 14 days free trial, but due to COVID-19, they have increased their trial days. Now it's 3 months. That is, it's 90 days now. In 90 days, you can run your business. After 90 days, you have to pay for per month to for basic setup. You need to pay $29 per month, but 3 months is enough to start your business. As I told you, I use Shopify to set up my online store. So this is the Puma store which I have created using the Shopify app. And also you can see Chat with Us TDO. It's a application. TDO is a chatbot which will it's a the robot person will chat on behalf of the business person with the customer. If the customer have faced any kind of issue, the customer can chat with the TDO app, and the customer will get quick resolve. The problem will get quick resolve. These are some of the featured collection. I'll also share like how to set up your e-commerce store. Once I complete the PPT part, these are the products which I have kept in this in this PPT as a proof of my online store. You can add description. You can also mention discounts, price, amount of stock you have, and this is my homepage screenshot. Your customer will give review, which will be displayed on your website. It might be a positive review or a negative review. You can hide the video. You can hide the review if you don't want to display to your customers. And these are some of the categories of products which I have in my store. It's a ladies bag. You can see the in inventory. You can see the amount of stock, the type of product, vendor is a supplier who will supply the product. So here the vendor is Puma. The second category is shoes, which I have mentioned. It's a product description: women's coral pink, women maroon Aero active running shoes. So these are some of the product description. The third is the watch, which I have kept in my store. Or you can also see the amount of inventory stock in the store. You can open the image and you can share. You can see the different you can see the images from different angles. So this is a white bag and you can see the image from different angles. You can even zoom the image. And once you like the image, you can add to cart and make the payment and enjoy your shopping experience. So these are some of the proof that I have created an online store using Shopify app. The next is the keyword research. It's very important, keyword research. If you have, imagine you have already set up your e-commerce store, and if the customer is searching for something, examples, customer is searching Puma running shoes, the customer will type in Google search Puma running shoes. So if your website is good, or if your website contains all the SEO requirements, your website might come in the first page. It's not easy to make your website to come in the first page of Google, but you can still try for, and you can still complete all the SEO requirements. One of the SEO requirement is have a proper keyword. So these are the 15 to 20 keywords which I have kept, and you can also keep such kind of keywords, and there are different softwares who will allow you to include keywords. One is karuya.com, the second is Google Keyword Planner. Through all such software, you can set up the keyword, and if the customer comes again all these 15 to 20 keywords, your website might rank, and and there are high amount of chances the customer might go click on your website, and the customer might undertake purchase. So keyword plays a very important role to run your website, to run your business, and to start getting customers in your business. And these are the some of the apps I have installed. As I have told you, TDO Live Chat. It's an app. Here the robot will chat on behalf of the businessman. The customer can ask any questions and the robot will answer. The social testimonial slider. This is again a plugin. Uh, will make your website to look good, and it's an important plugin. The most important plugin is Studio Live Chat, and the second is a social testimonial slider. The third is the countdown sales timer. If a sale is running on, or as now Diwali is coming, so many websites or many online business will make a sale promotion. So this is the countdown sales time. Like for 30 days, there is a 50% discount, or there is a 5% off, or there is a 5% off on your first purchase. There will be a time limit. So to make this visual, this is the installed app countdown sales timer. You can use this plugin to display sales and offers to your website. So here ends my presentation discussion. Now I'll share how you all also can set up your e-commerce store. It hardly takes 2 hours to set up your e-commerce store.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
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 Yes.
Yes, you can create a Shopify. You can create a website to Shopify, and I'll quickly share my screen, and I'll lively teach you how you can set up your online store using Shopify.
Okay.
Can you all see my screen? Please reply in chat. So we'll quickly go to Shopify. It's loading. Can you all see the www.shopify.com.in/? Please reply in chat.
No.
Can you all see Shopify page? Wait. Can you all see now? Create your own online store with Shopify. So it will hardly take some time to set up with the basic process. You can use your email ID to set up your e-commerce store. So here I'll use the email ID, and now go to start free trial. Before it was 14 days, but now due to COVID, they have raised the days, and now it's 60 days. Sorry, 90 days. You can keep any store name. Can you all suggest me a good store name through chat? Smart choice. Okay. It already exists. Can you suggest some other name? So, for example, now I keep all in one store. It also exists. We'll try some other name. Currently unavailable. So I have kept the store name as JKL. You can keep any name. Make sure the store name should not be new and it should not be existent ones. Click on the create your store. Success, your store is ready to go. You'll get this notification. Once you get the notification, you can start adding products to your store. You can start adding description, price, amount of your products. Um, Tell us a little about yourself. There's a two-step before going for that. Are you already selling? No, I'm just playing around. Let us help you kickstart your business while you're playing around. Help me find a product. What is your revenue? Mm, which industry will you be operating in? So here I have chosen as electronics. Are you setting up a store for your client? Yes, I am developing a store for a client. Click on this and there will be a one more step. Add an address so you can get paid. Okay. Sorry, we need to start again. I'm just playing around. What's your income revenue? Which industry will be operating for? Electronics. Next. So it's address. City, Mumbai. You can add your address. Phone number you can keep in. The store is a registered business. Enter my store. Phone number. So keeping a phone number, it's mandatory. You cannot skip this question. So it's a dashboard. Before going to this page, you need to complete the two steps, like some basic details about your business and some personal details of your, like address of your store, phone number, etc. Now you can add products here by going to products. In the left panel, you can see the options like home, order, product, inventory is the stock which you will keep prior. Transfer is the amount, and gift card which we use during offers. Collection is the product collection, and here is the discount app which you have installed. Analytics, you can see the number of customers who have visited your website. You can see the number of customers who have visited only the first page of your website and not the last page of your website. The customer did not went to the payment option. Like the customer example, the customer have only selected the product, or the customer have only made a wish list of the product. All this can be tracked using analytics. It can also You can also track your online store website using Google Analytics. And these are the customer, the type of customers which will come to your website. And this is an online store which will be visible to your customer. So you can add products here by going to add product. You can add product. This is You can add give title to your product, like for example, I have electronics, so Samsung M40. is the product type, product title. You can give description like the color of your product, like color description available, white. First you will write a color available, then you will mention like white, black and rose pink. It contains USB charger, charging point, USB charger. Also you will get charger. Also you will get a manual description along with the box. Along with the box. So these are the few description which you can mention to make your customer more aware about the products. And after putting the description, you can add the image of your product, add file or drop upload, file to upload, add media from URL. So I'll go to add file, downloads, first I need to save one image to add products. Like mobile pic, mobile images. For example, as my product is a mobile, so I'll go to mobile images. I can download one image. So here I have downloaded one image. I'll give this image name as mobile. I'll go to desktop and I'll save it. So this image have got saved. So now I go to add file. Now I go to mobile. Image added. You can add more images like different angles of the images. You can add. You can keep the price of your product like it's 15,000. Compare price. Compare price will be 16,999. So now you can see here it's a discount of around 2,000. Cost per item 15,000. No, the cost per item will be 12,999. So here I earn 2,000 profit. Charge tax on this product. Yes. Inventory, barcode, etc. Available quantity. You can if a customer need more mobiles, like the customer need 4 to 5 mobiles, the customer can see through here like available quantity available of the same product. Shipping, this is a physical product. Weight, it's not mandatory to keep weight, but you can keep weight. Now I'm skipping this weight option. You can select region, like from where this product is coming from. India. HSN code, it's a unit description code which will describe your product. Like I have kept the HSN code as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This product has multiple options. Yes, it had multiple options, like it has different colors like white, black, rose pink. So it have different options. Even the link is given here. You can go to that link and you can see more about the product. You can see the review about the product. After setting up the product description, product image, product title, etc., barcode, etc., price, mentioning everything, you can save this product. There is a one error with this product, size can't be blank. Okay, so I need to mention the weight of the product. It's a mandatory question, it seems so. Mm, I'll put color also, like white. Let's see now if it gets saved. Okay, congratulations, you added your first product. So like this, you can add as many products as you want. There is no limit of adding your products. Now I will go to TDO. Like if you want to upload or if you want to install TDO, you can add TDO by searching here. View more app in this collection. Oh, unexpected technical error came. So it's a already installed app, advanced cash on delivery for India. There are other more apps available. Marketing, selling, inventory, retail, selling. For selling, there are this many apps. Okento product review. Like here, the customer will give review about your product, and even you can see the product review if the customer have given product review. It's a paid application, but there is a 14 days free trial. You can use it for free for 14 days. And in inventory, there are again 4 types of applications. There are more applications available, but you can see all that applications once you get paid Shopify.
Okay.
Dismiss app recommendations. It's a online store presence. Once the customer log into a website, here you can add image to make your website visual. Add image with text. Like I have shown in my PPT, there were social proof of the images I have added. Add the descript title images along with the description. Add a title or tagline. Featured collections. Uh, you can see the featured collections I have shown here. Featured collections. These are the featured collection which I have shown in my own website. Your product name, like I have mentioned, like example, we have mentioned Samsung M40, amount rupees 15,000. So like this, you all can set up your online store. Image with text overlay. Or you can also skip some options if you don't want to make your website look long or very much detailed. Here there will be a customer reviews. You can see the customer reviews. I have mentioned customer reviews. Even you can display your customer reviews. Newsletter, etc. Your customer can subscribe to your newsletter, etc. Visit my Shopify app store. Shopify itself contains many applications, so you can go to visit my Shopify app store. Here you can search for the TDO live chatbot. TDO live chatbot. Click on this. You can even have WhatsApp chat. Go to add application. You can also change the color look of your TDO live chat, like the font which you want to use. You can even change that. The app is getting installed now. You can keep your chatbot name like I'll keep its name like John Dio. John D. You can change the color scheme and avatar if you want. It will look like this. You can see in the right hand side. You can mention any color. You can mention any language. You can select any language you want. But most preferable language is English. So I'll go with the English and go to continue. It's an online store. Continue by clicking terms and conditions. Continue. So you can chat with the TDO, like enter your message, like I mentioned, hi. Enter your email. gmail.com. Agree, send. Now you can chat, hi. So like this, even you can chat with the TDO. So is there any kind of question you want me to answer? You can you can text in the chat box. I'll answer to all the questions before ending this webinar. Yes, the keyword softwares are available for free. You can go to Google Keyword Planner. From there, you can get the keyword. See, Google Keyword Planner. You can set up as many keywords you want. There are also other software like SEMrush, etc., from where you can set up your keywords. Is there any other question? Most welcome. You can answer such question. I'll answer all your questions. Sorry. So this is how you can set up your e-commerce store. Hello.
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 Yes. Hello.
So to
Can you
know
tell?
more about the Shopify, you can give me your contacts number. So I'll add you all to my WhatsApp group. I'll be conducting more such free webinars, and I'll keep posting about the latest updates in the e-commerce business. So you can add your contact number. Thank you for your contact number. So here I end my webinar. Thank you for your precious time. Thank you. So I end my webinar. Have a great day. Good night.